The Kinlong Precision Lock Department can produce different series of locks and related hardware products, and the R&D Center established a strong R&D capability to develop lots of new products every year. Many new products have applied for invention patents, utility, model patents, or appearance patents. The workshop management is standardized, all systems are complete, and the production site is clean and orderly. The lock machining workshop is equipped with various types of equipment, including automatic stamping and drilling of parts, riveting and welding of parts, and advanced technology, which can meet the production needs of large quantities of orders. The lock assembly workshop is responsible for the assembly of different types of lock products, with high production efficiency to ensure the completion of orders on time. The cylinder machining workshop has automated processing equipment for all parts to ensure the high quality and huge quantity production tasks. The cylinder assembly production line requires each cylinder to undertake reliability and flexibility testing, and also has the industry's most advanced automatic cylinder assembly machine to ensure sufficient quality of the cylinder. With the strong ability for hinge machining and automated equipment, from automatic punching and drilling of hinges to automatic welding of hinge shaft and ultrasonic automatic cleaning, all of which are processed by automated equipment. The assembly of the hinge has clear operation instructions for each process, and the operators strictly follow the requirements for assembly and production. The lock depth also has a complete set of automatic sanding equipment for hinges with high production efficiency and good sanding effect. The laboratory has various testing equipment, followed by international and national standards related to locks. All new products must be strictly tested according to the standard throughout the full progress, and can only be launched after passing the test to ensure product quality. Many products have also applied for various certifications, according to American standards, European standards, requirement for fire resistance and anti-theft, etc. to meet different market demand and apply to different application scenarios. Locks and related hardware can be provided as solutions for different scenarios, widely used in various projects such as fine decoration residences, hotels, airports and rail transit, office buildings and commercial buildings, schools, hospitals, etc.